Well, hello dear children. On this wonderful Saturday, we are once again going to spend a little time with the miracle machine. We're going to weld the differential and make a handbrake for it. I've already worked on a few things. Oh, I put in a wonderfully beautiful factory seat. This is very, very important, you know, especially for comfort, so we can trash the whole car comfortably. I put in a radiator because, you know, it's very, very important.
Wow.
Oh no!
Dick, let's see what we've got.
Let's get to it and put together a little handbrake for it. For now, we'll stick with the cable version. We'll give it a try, though I'm not expecting much from it.
But just to be sure, we'll give it a try. Well, maybe we can get something out of it.
We're working on the car, and there's very little time left until the inspection. Let's get to it. Let's work. I think I'll give our friend Manx a little task. We're going to make a nice little time-lapse of welding the diff and messing with the handbrake. So stick with us and watch this part too. Then I think next time we'll come back with the inspection and the test during the inspection. We still don't know how this filming is going to turn out.
Enjoy the show.
We took off the amazing, as it turned out, 345 differ.
From underneath.
Now we're going to make the world's best differential. This works everywhere in the world. We'll give it plenty of welding wire. We'll weld it quickly and put it back in.
More precisely, I'll put it back in.
Since our handbrake is incomplete, everything is completely missing from here. Among all this junk, I need to find something I can cobble together a handbrake from. We'll dig up something, maybe a broomstick, or perhaps a car wash brush, or anything that serves this purpose. Then we'll see. Alright, let's get to the diff. Tiku tiku. The diff is welded, and since the factory handbrake is a bit lacking, I have to hack in a hydraulic handbrake. Whatever I find, that'll be the handbrake. I've got a used brake cylinder, this kind of brake line, that kind of brake line.
Well, this is going to be made from a bit of everything.
How it's going to work, I think we'll find out soon.
Nobody should try this at home. Because this is very dangerous. Thank you.
Well, listen.
That thing inside him just came out. Listen. Here comes Andrezite.
Imagine what I got for the vehicle. Registration. They lie in it.
That this bastard is only a 6.
I think we'll have to boost it even more.
It's professional sports talk, right? It's exactly like in the factory.
Well, we are the factory.
Lol 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 lol. Oh. Be careful there, Tiku Tiku.
He starts, which is important, just saying. From 1 to 10 rating, I think about 40 families will need to be sorted out because everything will be lost.
Brake's done, and they're not standing yet. Our cars are there.
Yeah, it happened that way back at the end, but that's how the character is. Why the fuck are there so many reds?
The bastard with the carburetor is a goat.
Jed!
Hoo! Oh, they're milking it!
Damn, dude!
Your mom!
You see, kids, this is why you shouldn't do a half-assed job. because it takes longer to mess around than if you just went and bought a damn Teflon pipe and did those damn fittings. This way, you end up working 8 times as much.
Ha! Just try it, you simpletons! Ah ha ha! You see who's good. Woohoo! Vututu vututu!
You don't need to buy a lot of power steering fluid for it. Unfortunately, the steering gear is leaking.
There's a problem with the steering rack right now. The steering rack is leaking, and I don't have the hands to take it off. I think it's much faster to just refill it afterwards.
This is really getting in the way.
Deja vu. I've just been in this time before. I am on the beat, and I know it's the place to go. I let everything go.
Yes, yes!
Everything is back in place.
So they really know.
Wow, the back is grinding over there.
Very flawless.
I think it's very nice.
It works perfectly.
I think the power steering fluid is gone, but it's okay.
It works!
Very, very nice.
Mine works.
Thank you.
Josik has a weird voice.
Is he fake?
Ah, is it okay now? Watch out, there will be a camera.
Oh, that's great!
Test run number.
Number 1.
Watch out, Morbert.
Hey! Thank you. Nice.
You just need to escort one, then it will be fine.
Wait, because it got stuck here!
Fix it!
It goes into the body too. What do you want? But the road is wet. That's why.
What?
So it starts more easily. Do you want to do a burnout? Of course. Good. So there's something. Yes. Very funny. I'm getting in the car. In the car. There's the problem, kids. Welcome, but no.
But properly again. Almost!
The point is, I think the problem is with the brake pad.
I think so.
So the thing is, we didn't flip over this well-equipped junk wagon. Quite simply, we didn't have to. The examination board decided that legally, they can't force us to put ourselves in danger.
So it never even occurred to us to put ourselves in danger. Instead, we turned the rollover car into a junk wagon. It's more useful and more fun.
Is there one?
That's it. See ya.
Well, you can even sit above me.
I just hope the oil's hot since they're cooling it.